Wouldn't it be great to have 100% trust and confidence to know that your emergency call is not only being highly prioritized, but also enacting all the necessary protocols needed to ensure yourself or loved one receives the proper medical attention they deserve in a timely fashion? In a state of emergency, the last thing people should have to worry about is whether their dire needs are effectively addressed or if their safety is going to be compromised due to a failed location error. A recent incident involved the death of a 17-year-old male in Ohio that suffocated in his vehicle when emergency responders could not locate him. The teen was on his way to a tennis match and allegedly placed equipment in the back of the van when he was pinned under a seat. He used voice commands to dial 911 and attempted to tell the dispatcher his location and that he was suffocating. The operator could not hear or understand the teen and lacked the proper information to find the van. This tragic situation brought up key questions about the city's 911 system and police response. This unfortunate incident could have been prevented or helped by proper 911 location services or by providing an advanced medical team with a comprehensive safety profile. If equipped with this capability, the dispatchers would be able to see emergency contacts, information about vehicle or home, medical data, and any other information residents see fit to share. 400 times each minute, people across the country will dial 911 on sophisticated handheld devices and lose precious seconds trying to describe what they're seeing over the phone and where they are rather than sharing a live video stream or precise coordinates. The ambulance protocol we conduct in the United States is very antiquated and requires a drastic change to reflect the technological advances society relies on today. The 911 system that is currently being used, even in its most advanced state today, struggles to deliver geographical location with a text message, further insisting a need for new technology to save lives in the wireless age. An innovative opportunity exists to create an Uber-like app platform of qualified emergency responders throughout a town. These emergency teams would receive notifications from 911 dispatchers regarding an emergency near them and issue out the appropriate response team within a timely manner.